Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026 and telling you the top 15 articles that must be read by all banking aspirants. These articles are strictly selected for banking exams covering economy, RBI, inflation, banking awareness, government schemes, international economy, reports and current affairs. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026, don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the highest priority articles for banking exams. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article was retail inflation inches up to 3.4% in March. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Banking focus, CPI inflation, RBI target 4% plus minus 2%, monetary policy impact. Very important for IBPS-PO, SBI-PO and RBI Grade B. Next article was LIC board approves 1:1 bonus share issue. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, LIC full form, bonus shares, PSU insurance sector. Important banking awareness topic. Next article was World Bank chief cautions on jobs crisis even after war ends. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, World Bank headquarters Washington DC, President Ajay Banga, employment outlook. Very important international economy topic. Next article was India will have preferential access to 38 developed nations. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, FTA meaning, export growth, international trade. Important current affairs topic. Next article was indices plunge 1% as US-Iran talks collapse. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, Sensex, Nifty, Brent crude impact, rupee movement. Very important market awareness topic. Next article was as blockade begins, 2 tankers arrive to pump in Iran crude. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, import bill, current account deficit, inflation link. Important economy topic. Next article was RMZ to invest $35 billion in data units, AI infra. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, FDI, investment, AI economy, data center sector. Important corporate economy topic. Next article was IMD's April forecast projects monsoon to be below normal for first time in 11 years. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Banking focus, agriculture output, food inflation, rural demand. Very important macroeconomy topic. Next article was SC seeks center's response to plea on proper MSP for crops. You can read it from page number 14. Banking focus, MSP, crop procurement, farm economy. Important agriculture economy topic. Next article was US military blockades Iran ports, Tehran threatens ports in region. You can read it from page number 16. Banking focus, crude oil prices, currency volatility, global trade risk. Important global economy topic. Next article was Russia offers to take in enriched uranium from Iran, says Peskov. You can read it from page number 16. Banking focus, nuclear diplomacy, commodity markets, geopolitical stability. Important current affairs topic. Next article was rise in middle class vulnerability. You can read it from page number 10. Banking focus, household debt, income insecurity, consumer demand. Important socioeconomic topic. Next article was deliveries of LPG outpacing bookings, says Chief Minister. You can read it from page number 4. Banking focus, LPG distribution, subsidy system, public welfare economics. Important government economy topic. Next article was Rajasthan 60 gigawatts projects awaiting transmission links. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, renewable energy, infrastructure finance, green growth. Important development finance topic. Last article was Piroj Shah to succeed Nadir at Godrej Industries Group. You can read it from page number 15. Banking focus, Godrej Group, appointments in news, corporate leadership. Important one-liner GA topic. What to skip today? Skip political blame games, long editorials and non-economic local news. Focus only on banking awareness, economy data, institutions, reports and appointments. Quick revision keywords. CPI, RBI, LIC, World Bank, FTA, Sensex, Nifty, CAD, monsoon, MSP, crude oil, household debt, LPG, green energy, Godrej. If you want daily the Hindu banking filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Study smart, not hard. Jai Hind.